If you want to make your Squarespace website multilingual, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to connect Weglot, choose your languages, and add a clean language switcher to your site header so visitors can browse in their preferred language. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and select the website you want to make multilingual. This is important because if you manage more than one site, you want to make sure you're editing the correct one. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Settings. From there, select Site Languages. This is where Squarespace gives you access to language settings for your website, including the multilingual setup through Weglot. Now, under the Multilingual by Weglot section, click Connect. Squarespace will ask for permission, so click Allow to continue. This connection is what links your Squarespace site with Weglot's translation features. After that, you'll either create a new Weglot account or log in if you already have one. If you're new, follow the sign-up prompts and complete the account setup. If you already use Weglot, just sign in with your existing details. Once you're logged in, you'll need to choose your original language. This should be the main language your website is currently written in. Then, select your destination languages, which are the languages you want your visitors to be able to switch to. Take your time here and choose the languages that make the most sense for your audience. After selecting everything, click Save to apply your settings. At this point, your Squarespace site is connected to Weglot, but you still need to add the language selector to your website header so visitors can easily switch languages. To do that, go back to your homepage preview and click Edit in the top left corner. This opens the page editor. Next, hover over your menu and click Edit Site Header. This is where you can customize the top navigation area of your site. Now click Add Element, or in some versions simply Elements, depending on your Squarespace layout. Look for the language switch option and toggle it on. This adds a language selector drop-down to your header, making it easy for users to change languages from any page. Once that's enabled, click out of the settings panel and then click Save. After saving, your website header will now display a language drop-down selector. You can visit your live site and test it to make sure the switcher appears correctly and the language options are working as expected. And that's it. Your Squarespace website is now multilingual. You've connected Weglot, selected your languages, and added a language switcher so your visitors can browse in the language they prefer. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website guides, and no stress how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.